We have been there in these apartments since 2016, and since being fourth floor, we have been experiencing counting problem because of the age. So we tried to get a lift installed and communicated with all our flat owners. Been successfully installing the lift. There was a small space there in the apartment, and this kind of lift was perfectly fitted in that space. And utilizing the very small space, we have been installed this lift, which is very good in look.
We get a facility which could facilitate our family members, sometimes some of the elderly family members, some of our relatives who because of their age and medical issues, there was a restriction for them to come and meet us. So now this lift is there, although small in size, but it facilitates us in moving up and down, especially the elderly and those who have health related issues. So basically, we were very sketchy which lift to go. We didn't had any idea. The only thing was that our requirement was there should be no requirement for pit, machine room, chain, pulley. So moment we started looking for it, this was an option available on the net. Then we required about quality and all those aspects. Then we were able to come that the quality is good. Pneumatic is an international technique. So the moment we came to know that as a safety, if power cut is there in the middle of the right, the lift will gradually, without any hiccups, will stop and move gradually towards the ground floor. Automatically it will reach the ground floor safely. And lot of protection was there, 2-3 safety features are there, one alarm and all those things. So we came to know that this pneumatic technology is quite safe if power cut is there suddenly. Secondly, the specialty is it runs on a single phase power connection. So that is also a benefit.
The moment it was installed, and everybody was happy and liked the lift का जो quality है, जो look out है, that was being liked by most of them. Being a safety feature, we are feeling good about it.
We are happy with the product.